I should have left him outside last night. Mr. Tank. Mr. Tank! Come here. He can stay outside all night. I don't worry about him. These. That's what I come to find out this morning. See this mess? Remember I had chickens on the tie cord? Yeah, I had 2 of them. This one, as you can see, must have just pulled his leg out of there and took off with him, because I mean there's feathers over there, a lot of feathers over here. This is what I wanted to show you over here. This tie cord. I had my red hatch tag on here. Look at this mess. Look at this. Completely chewed the tie cord off. And that nylon, that stuff is not no joke. See feathers? Feathers everywhere. Bug, get. Look, just a big old pile of feathers. So I go along, fixing my fence, keep the dogs in, hoping it would help keep some things out. Yeah, I know a fox can jump high. I know a coyote could probably do the same. It's starting to rain. But whatever that thing was that got in here last night, that chewed through that tie cord just to get that chicken, it's crazy. It's one of my original hatchcocks. This is one of my new hatches. I mean, this is my gray Albany cross. Man, it's a beautiful bird, isn't it? I got my pumpkin Halsey. Check this guy out. He's going through the molt pretty much right now. Hi, Tank. That's a good looking rooster. Tank, get off my ears. Got this thing up in my lap, looking me in the face. So it's raining and the thunder and lightning. He gets scared. Must be a big baby. Then there's my Spangled Albany hen. But I've been lucky. See my mama and the 4 babies right there. And then I don't know if you can see her now, she just ran back into the woods. She's been over the other side of the fence the whole time. These are my brown reds, and I got 4 sweaters over there. Then there's my sweater cock. I got another hatch cock. He must have been fighting through the wire before I got a hold of him because he's got a hurt foot. He's getting better. Irish power rooster. Old Sammy Davis Jr. These are my Albanese. Red Williams. Red Williams Albanese. Told these were Kelsos. Who knows? They're good looking birds. He's a big shake cock. And he's getting his feathers back after the hen done pecked the crap out of him. Here's my claret gray. It's a good looking bird, ain't it? That's a good looking bird. And then there's the brown red. Kearney brown red. Let me show you something else. It's always a mess and an adventure around here with these German Shepherds. We have 2 puppies in the house, 2 boys. They play real rough together. This is my new one. This is my white hatch. Tell me that ain't a good looking rooster right there, boy. That's a good looking bird. Stand still. Why is it every time you want to video them, they want to move around? Like he's going to hide somewhere. Think about that. That's a good looking rooster right there. And then you got my trio. I call these West Virginia Blues. It's really an Irish Poll hen right there. Blue Kelso. And she's called a Kentucky Headhunter. But they all will throw blues together. I was going to try to get some babies. Pretty soon I'll wind up putting her back with the Irish Poll and get some more of those. As you see the ducks and the geese. See over here, my 5. The little white one right there, that's an Irish pilot baby. The other 4 are brown reds. Same as the ones running around with the mama, but I hatched those out of the incubator. And you got Daffy and Donald, Ricky and Lucy, and Charlie the pig. He's been rolling around in the mud. We gave him a bathtub and they keep making a big mess in that. But anyway, just thought I would give you a quick update of what's going on around here. The good and the bad when it comes to raising chickens. Lord knows we've lost well over 50 chickens in the last year and a half from the damn foxes and the raccoons. I think mostly foxes and coyotes. It's terrible. It's just a way to say goodbye. Y'all have a great day.